Good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to everyone today, this lovely Saturday evening by PNB Housing Limited. This is your host Lavina today, and before we start the program, I would like to congratulate everybody here today on completing the Silver Jubilee of this organization, and this wouldn't have been possible without every single person present over here in the room, because PNB Housing Finance Limited takes great pride in having a strong and stable hold in the Indian market in the public sector, being the largest one in the public sector. And even though we have our national and zonal business heads over here, they're not going to be able to come down to each and every one of you all and give you a pat on your back, no matter how much they want to do it. So यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग बैठे हैं, I would request everybody, आपने पूरे साल में जितनी भी मेहनत की है, जितना भी काम किया है, everybody deserves a pat on their back. So I would request everybody to pat their backs. Can we do that, everyone? Pat your back. Thank you so much. When I came to know about PNB Housing Limited, पहली Housing Finance Limited, जब मुझे पहली चीज पता चली, इसके बारे में I knew कि it's affiliated to the Punjab National Bank. लेकिन आजकल हमें अगर किसी भी चीज पर ज़्यादा information चाहिए, तो where do we go? We go to Google, and that's what I did. I went to Google and I looked up PNB Housing Finance Limited, and काफी सारी चीजें आई about your organization, about the work ethics, about how much sales you all have achieved throughout the previous years. लेकिन एक चीज जो बहुत notice में आई, मेरी आंखों की नजरों में आई, and that was the core values. Now I know आप में से कई सारे लोग यहाँ पर MBA, marketing graduates definitely रहे होंगे. तो मैं आपसे ये सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ, what are the 4 P's of marketing that we know? Anybody? What are the 4 P's of marketing? Anyone? Okay, we have somebody over here. All right, तो मैं आती हूँ आपके पास, right there. Yes sir, what's your name? We have Jayesh over here. Tell me the 4 P's.
Product, place, price, and person, people.
Yes, product, place, price, and there's also physical evidence. And people is actually the 5th P of marketing. And PNB Housing Finance is one organization that really respects its people. So a round of applause by the people for the people. Can we have that? Thank you so much, everyone. PNB is such a great organization. I've heard so many things about it, and one of the reasons that we are having this on a Saturday evening, आप सोच रहे होंगे, oh, Saturday evening 6 बजे काम खत्म हो जाएगा. I usually go home and I plan a nice dinner out with my friends, with my family. आज कहाँ फंस गए, यहाँ पे reward ceremony के लिए बुला लिया है. One Saturday night gone. But everybody, today, this amazing evening that we have planned for you is to reward you, to tell you a very, very big thank you. A thank you for being a part of our family. A thank you for being a part of the PNB family and working together, striving together as a team and making PNB what it is today. So a very hearty thank you, first of all, to everyone. Now, another thing I want to know from y'all is not only me, but everybody in the organization, your business heads, your managers, what they want to know is, what do you think about the organization? A lot of times, bosses को अपना message communicate करना आसान नहीं होता है, लेकिन आज यहाँ पर आपके पास ये मौका है जहाँ पर आप अपने bosses को बता सकते हैं आपके दिल में क्या है. And to make it even more easier, what we're going to do is आपको describe करना है PNB को in one single word. That is, you have to use only one word to describe PNB for you. And ये word शुरू होना चाहिए from the letters of P, N and B.